KAPEX KS120 is a 260mm slide compound miter saw that offers precision cutting, application flexibility and unlimited mobility. The dual bearing twin column saw guide guarantees smooth, accurate guidance through materials of up to 305 by 88mm. Trenching and rebating is also made easy with a fine adjustable depth setting lever for maximum precision. It has an inclination cutting angle of 47 degrees each side that can be finely tuned from the front and locked in place quickly and accurately. The mitre angle of 50 and 60 degrees on the table gives plenty of scope for angle cuts. The dual laser indicates precise blade positioning to each side of the blade for quick error-free cuts. The KS bevel bisects internal and external angles, and once aligned with the dual laser, gives you accurate fitting of joins the first time round. When requiring to cut different materials, variable speed and a system of saw blades gives greater flexibility. The KS120 has a special cutting position to allow easy processing of larger materials up to 120mm high. This means you take a lighter saw but still have the cutting capacity. The mobile trolley allows for easy mobility, and trimming attachments connect to the trolley for easy transport. Trimming attachments have calibrated scales to extend to 2.4 metres, accurate to each side of the blade for setting quick, repetitive cuts. And when connected to a Festool dust extractor, gives you a safe, clean working environment. To keep yourself updated on Festool product information and applications, subscribe to our channel below.